Hello children, today we are going to see about algebraic expressions. In the introduction, we are going to see what is a constant, variable, term, coefficient, expression, types of expression, degree of an algebraic expression, like and unlike terms. Now, let us see first what is an algebra. Algebra is nothing but knowing the value of unknown quantity is known as algebra. Knowing the value of unknown quantity is known as algebra. So, in that first one is constant. The quantity whose value cannot be changed. The quantity whose value cannot be changed is called constant. For example, if I say, what is the value of pi? This is pi symbol. So, the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14 or it is 3.14. So, wherever you find this symbol pi in your problems, then it is the value you will write it as 22 by 7 or 3.14. So, what is constant, children? The quantity whose value cannot be changed is called constant. Second one, variable. Variable. The quantity whose value can be changed. The quantity whose value can be changed is called variable. This variable is also called as literal. This variable is also called as literal. These are denoted with the English alphabet letters. Literal. These are indicated with the English alphabets. Next is term. Combination of a numeral and a literal, or alone a literal, or alone a numeral is called a term. Combination of a numeral and a literal. For example, if I write 2x, so numeral and a literal. Here 2 is a numeral and x is a literal. So combination of a numeral and a literal, or alone a literal, or alone a numeral. This is called as a term. These are called as terms. Next, coefficient. Next one is coefficient. Fourth one. The value, for example, 2x is there. So, what is the coefficient of x in 2x? So, 2 is the coefficient. 2 is a coefficient. So, 2 is called as numerical coefficient. 2 is called as numerical coefficient. For example, if 3x square y, this is a term. So, what is the coefficient of numerical coefficient of x square y? That is 3. If they ask you what is the coefficient of x square, then it is 3y. What is the coefficient of x square? It is 3y. If they ask what is the coefficient of y, it is 3x square. So, this is coefficient. Next, expression. Next is expression. So, what is an expression? Expression, see, combination of terms. Combination of terms using basic operations. Combination of terms using basic operations is known as expression. Means you have four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See, combination of terms. For example, see, 3x plus 4y minus 6. If you observe here, see, 3x is a term, 4y is a term and 6 is also a term. See, I am combining all these with plus and minus. Plus and minus. So, such type is called as, means combination of terms using basic operations is called as expression. Combination of terms using basic operations is known as expression. Based on the number of terms in your expression, okay, you have three types of expressions. One is monomial, 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 binomial, 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 trinomial, trinomial. Okay, what is monomial? An expression consists of a single term. An expression consists of single term. Then it is called as monomial. For example, if I write 3y square, this is a single term in an expression. So, this is called as monomial. That is called as monomial. Next is a binomial. What is a binomial? Expression consists of two terms. For example, 3y square plus 5. 3y square plus 5. Then, see, 3y square is a term and 5 is another term. So, this expression consists of two terms. An expression consists of two terms is called as binomial. What is trinomial? If an expression consists of three terms. If an expression consists of three terms. See, 3y square plus 5 plus 4y. See, 3y square is one term, 5 is one term, 4y is another term. So, if an expression consists of three terms, then it is called as trinomial. If an expression consists of more than three terms, three or more than three terms, then it is called as polynomial. Then it is called as polynomial. Polynomial. Then it is called as polynomial. The expression consists of three or more number of terms. Then it is called as a polynomial. Next is degree of an algebraic expression. The highest power of an expression is called as degree of the polynomial. For example, if I take this as a polynomial, check the highest power. See here, what is the highest power of y here? It is 2. And here also there is a y, the power is 1. Here nothing is there, so the power is 0. So which is the highest power? 2 is the highest power. So degree of an algebraic expression is nothing but the highest power of an expression. The highest power of an expression is called as degree of the polynomial. The highest power of an expression is called as degree of the polynomial. Next is like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. Like terms. The way the literal, the terms whose literals are same. See, 3x square, 8x square. If you observe, in both the terms, the literal is x square. In both the terms, the literal is x square. So, the terms whose literals are same, they are called as like terms. Whose literals are different. See, 4x, 5y. If you take like this, if you observe, here the literal is x and here the literal is y. So, both the literals are not same here. So, they are called as unlike terms. The terms which are having the same literal, they are called as like terms. The terms which are having different literals, then they are called as unlike terms. So, we have learned about constant, variable, term, coefficient, expression, types of expression, degree of an algebraic expression, like and unlike terms in this video. Further, we will continue in our next video. Thank you, children.